Springtime means trim time, and we start thinking about our yard equipment. What do we have that still works, and what do we need to upgrade for the new season? 8 years ago, I shot a video on the Ryobi 40-volt string trimmer. This video has over 200,000 views. I got lots of questions, but the trimmer was great, the video was great, tutorial, but the trimmer died after about 5 years. It was almost $100 or more to replace the battery or the charger. We weren't sure which was the problem, so I decided to find a better option. Before I tell you about that better option, I want you to subscribe. I don't want you to miss any of the videos that we have coming out every week. Here at Hip Chicks, I'm all focused on saving you money, stress, and time. And there are 30,000 views a month here on our channel, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss them. So why ditch the 40 volt? I found the 18 volt string trimmer and blower combo to be a much better deal, and here's why. The 18-volt trimmer is much lighter. I have fibromyalgia and I can't handle a heavier tool. So this one is so much easier to use because the tool itself is a little bit lighter and the battery is lighter too. This one comes with an 18-volt battery, but it is a 4 amp instead of a 2 amp. And the beautiful thing is that this battery is interchangeable, so you can use it on all of your other Ryobi tools as well for more life. And I love that you get the blower with this string trimmer, so you can get your jobs done neatly and quickly, and you're all cordless. And I was a little skeptical about how this would hold up, but it works great on all those grass clippings, it works great on leaves, and it's even great for blowing water off the deck. So let's talk safety for a minute. Please make sure that you are wearing long pants, closed-toed shoes, and make sure that you have goggles on anytime you are using outdoor power tools. So the big question is, does the 18 volt have enough power to do an average yard? Well, the answer is yes. I have a half-acre yard, I have lots of beds, lots of walkways, and it stands up week after week. We bought it last summer at the beginning of the season, and I was really impressed. Ryobi doesn't pay me. This is not any paid endorsement. I really like this product. With a simple toe touch, you can go from vertical edging to flat trimming. It's so versatile. It had plenty of power to do both the trimming and the blowing of the debris week after week. So I would definitely say go with the 18-volt trimmer with the 4 amp battery because you get a lot of power, it's lighter weight, and you have a battery that you can multi-purpose with your other tools. And if your battery does die because you have done a whole lot of work that day, you can still use your regular 18-volt lithium batteries in this tool so that you're constantly powered up and ready to get your work done. The last thing I love about it is that my kids like using it. So that means they can do some of the work for me because it is our responsibility as adults to make sure our kids learn to DIY.